Let's click on this and let's do max. All right, here, I want to look at the maximum amount that was in this particular row. And I want to apply the same function all the way down. So I'm going to say equals max. I could double click. Now here I want to make sure I'm not selecting the sum row. So I'm going to do it by the quarters. Okay. And hit enter. Now max is applied all the way down. Now again, the reason why this works is because it's in a table. Let's do min. Formula, insert function. There's min. I click OK. And then it wants me to select my range. Again, my range is going to be from quarter 1 to quarter 4. Let's make sure that first cell isn't in there. Let me do that again. Here we go. Insert min. I'll get rid of H2. That's what I was trying to get rid of earlier. From quarter 1 to quarter 2. There you have it.